I should have kept filming. It wasn't that bad. A little bit of wiggling and she came right off. So, got my nut torqued to specs. And now at this point, the only thing left to do is put the wheel back on. You can take this advice or not take this advice about putting anti-seize compound on the lug studs. I guess if you've lived in Arizona or California, you don't have to do this. But I want to make sure that I can get the wheel off this vehicle if I ever have to, particularly if I'm using the factory supplied lug wrench and jack when I have a flat tire on the side of the road. So that's it. You got to pick what's most important to you. Okay, I got my 5 lug nuts here. Now let's put on our wheel. So guys, this is one of the hardest parts. Getting that wheel to seat on those lug studs. Probably want to get these a few turns on with your fingers before you start going nuts with the lug wrench, so you don't cross thread them. Now, time to put them on. Put it with the air wrench, and this is a function of how much air wrench power you have. If you don't have that powerful an air wrench, you're going to have to be cranking on them longer than if you have a really powerful air wrench. That's probably on my list of things to get is a better air wrench. I just run these down so the nuts get down first, so everything gets seated slightly before I put any amount of real torque on them. Okay? I always wonder how the NASCAR guys can do that in the pit stops. They get that wheel on squarely every single time when they're going as fast as they are. Okay, I went all the way around. Obsessive compulsive, I'm always worried that I may have missed one, so I'll just quick do it again. Then we'll take it for a test drive, and after the test drive, we'll retorque them one more time. Alright, so I replaced my front wheel bearing and replaced that ABS wheel speed sensor. Now we'll see how the vehicle does. We'll take it for a drive and see if it throws any codes and see if it's quiet. This vehicle had a number of issues. It would make a mysterious loss of power when I'd make a right-hand turn. I don't know if doing this is going to do anything to fix that. I don't see why it would, but a mystery's a mystery, so sometimes the mysteries can get solved, and it's just as big a mystery as the mystery to begin with. Take this for a drive and see how she does. Alright, took her for a test drive. Everything seemed to run out okay. It's not making that noise anymore. And we cleared the codes, and it's not throwing any new codes. All our dash lights are off. So I'll just quick retorque my wheel nuts here. Alright, everything seems fine there. So I guess we can consider this vehicle fixed. If you liked what you saw here, I'd appreciate it if you liked, shared, and subscribed. You know, do everything it takes to make this the #1 channel on YouTube. And you have any comments or criticisms, so you know, put them in the comment section below. And I guess till next time, we'll see you here on the Fix Yourself channel. Thanks for watching.